The next thing we're going to do is set up our color variable. So as I explained before, it allows us to variate our design system over different conditions. Alright, so I'm going to go over here to local variables, and currently it's generically named collection 1. I'm going to call this light, dark, and we'll create our first variable, which is going to store this color blue that we've been using. And I'm going to call this primary, or prime rather. Then I'm going to change the value of this to our blue. So let's see if I can grab that. I can. Okay, and so then you want to select what your alternate color. So on the different mode, what do you want that color to be? So in this case, I want it to be a dark blue, and okay. So this is a warning that says in order to use variable mode, we need to make this into our team. So I'm going to go ahead and put that just in my generic team project. Go back to variables and change this color to this darker blue, which is 051F52. Okay, if we look the modes, I'm going to call this light mode and this dark. Okay. Alright, close that up. And now when we apply that color, so I'll go ahead and into my component, and instead of using my style, I will unlink that and choose in this little quadrant here, click that, and then up here the square ones are the variable or variated ones, so I'll choose that as prime. I did that for now. I can change the mode from light to dark. To access that switch on page, there's this little icon up here, this little doodad, and there's that variable that I set up, or that variable structure, light dark, and now I can switch between light and dark. So once I do that, as you can see, now I'm using that dark mode, and my little switch shows up here. Sweet.